look at Creole as that way to just add to your repertoire of things when it comes to art. It's a form of self-expression. We're past the communication part. You can communicate already, right?
Yep. It's
So
true. Yeah, I agree. I agree. I'm just thinking how you guys are such good teachers, because you've given this some thought.
thank you.
Somebody who didn't really care, they would just go on and go on and go on and go on. Let me just, float along.
Yeah, I know, but it's like we really enjoy what we do and we really want to help. And we appreciate you taking the class with us because it helps us a lot too. It helps us improve. It helps us, not do that whole one size fits all. Because that's what we were doing when we were doing the English classes working for the companies. And it's very soul sucking. And
Mm,
it's very soul sucking. And you feel as if you're not really helping.
mm-hmm,
But with this, it's
mm-hmm,
individualized. That's what we offer. So it's like, if we know that this is the problem, then let's work on that first. And we promise
mm-hmm.
the other stuff you wanted to work on, it will follow.